Next, respiration in humans involved in these steps. Respiration in humans involved in these steps. Breathing, diffusion of gases, transport of gases, diffusion of gases, and cellular respiration. Cellular respiration. First, breathing. Exchange of gases. Exchange of gases between atmosphere and alveoli. Atmosphere and alveoli is called breathing. Atmospheric air enters into the alveoli and rich CO2 present in the alveoli sends out is called breathing. Next, diffusion of gases. Diffusion of gases. The exchange of gases between the alveoli and the pulmonary capillary by diffusion. Exchange of gases between alveoli and pulmonary capillary by diffusion. Next, transport of gases. Transport of gases by blood in between the lungs and cells. Lungs and cells. The transport of gases between the lungs and cells by blood. Exchange of gases between systemic capillaries and cells by diffusion. Exchange of gases between systemic capillaries and cells by diffusion. Next, cellular respiration. In cells, the oxygen is utilized for the breakdown of substance. In this process, ATP and CO2 are released. ATP, CO2 and water are released. This process is called cellular respiration. The CO2 present in the cells are transported by blood. Mechanism of breathing. Both inspiration and expirations are involved in the breathing. Both inspiration and expirations are involved in the breathing. The breathing is the gases of exchange between the atmospheric air and the lungs. Exchange of gases between atmosphere and lungs is called breathing. The exchange of gases depends on the pressure gradient between the atmosphere and the lungs. This pressure gradient is maintained by respiratory muscles. These respiratory muscles are costal muscles, rib muscle, costal muscles and the phrenic muscle. Costal muscles and phrenic muscles. Costal muscles. The space between the ribs is called intercostal space. The intercostal space contains muscle is called intercostal muscles. These intercostal muscles are two types of intercostal muscles are present. External intercostal muscles, internal intercostal muscles. External intercostal muscles, internal intercostal muscles. Phrenic muscles also called diaphragm muscles. Phrenic muscles also called diaphragm muscles. These are diaphragm muscles. Diaphragm muscle also called phrenic muscle. Rib muscle also called costal muscles. Costal muscles. Pressure present in the lungs is called intrapulmonary pressure. If the intrapulmonary pressure is lower than the atmospheric air, the air enters into the lungs. Air enters into the lungs. If intrapulmonary pressure is more than the atmospheric pressure, the air goes out. The air goes out. Next, inspiration. Air enters into the lungs is called inspiration. Atmospheric air enters into the lungs is called inspiration. During inspiration, costal muscles and diaphragm muscles or phrenic muscles contraction. During inspiration, costal muscles, phrenic muscles, coastal muscles. Coastal muscles mean external intercostal. External intercostal muscles. During inspiration, phrenic muscles and external intercostal muscles are contraction. The contraction of phrenic muscles increases the thoracic volume anterior and posterior axis. Contraction of phrenic muscles causes anterior posterior axis of the thoracic cavity increases. During contraction of phrenic muscles, the anterior and posterior axis of the thoracic cavity increases. Contraction of external intercostal muscles. Contraction of external intercostal muscles increases the thoracic cavity dorsoventral axis. Thoracic cavity dorsoventral axis. During the contraction of phrenic muscles, diaphragm, dome-shaped diaphragm converted into flat. Dome-shaped diaphragm converted into flat. These contraction of these muscles increases the thoracic cavity. At the same time, pulmonary volume increases. At the same time, thoracic volume increases. At the same time, pulmonary volume also increases. This causes increase the volume, decrease the pressure in the lungs. Increase the pulmonary volume and decrease the pressure in the lungs. This causes atmospheric air enters into the lungs. During inspiration, thoracic cavity increases. At the same time, pulmonary cavity increases. In the pulmonary cavity, the intrapulmonary pressure is decreases. Pulmonary volume increases. Intrapulmonary pressure decreases. This causes air enters into the lungs. At the same time, next, expiration. Expiration is a passive process. Expression is a passive process. In expression, diaphragm muscles is also called pernic muscles. Pernic muscles and intercostal muscles are relaxed. So thoracic volume decreases. At the same time pulmonary volume decreases. The intrapulmonary pressure increases. Because the intrapulmonary volume decreases. It causes the increase of intrapulmonary pressure. The air goes out from the lungs. Expression is a passive process, but in cockroaches expression is active process. The healthy persons breathes 12 to 16 times per minute. Healthy person breathe 12 to 16 times per minute. Pyrometer helps in clinical assessment of the pulmonary functions.